300 plus most common English words. Top 30 prepositions. In, on, at, by, with, about, against, between, before, after, during, under, over, around, through, up, down, from, to, into, out, of, within, near, along, inside, outside, below, above, until. Top 50 verbs. Be, have, do, say, get, make, go, know, take, see, come, think, look, want, give, begin, show, hear, play, run, move, live, believe, hold, bring, happen, write, sit, stand, lose, use, find, tell, ask, work, call, try, need, feel, become, live, put, mean, keep, let, pay, meet, include, continue, set. Top 40 nouns. Time, person, year, way, day, thing, man, world, life, hand, part, child, eye, woman, place, beauty, week, case, point, government, company, number, group, problem, fact, house, family, school, money, story, system, water, night, power, line, end, name, friend, game, happiness. Common 40 adjectives. Full, light, soft, simple, short, deep, hard, strong, dark, free, open, whole, clear, real, true, bad, important, young, large, small, high, big, right, old, great, long, new, good, tall, beautiful. Top 40 adverbs. Just, ever, before, together, yet, once, probably, certainly, only, however, definitely, easily, immediately, later, now, soon, recently, clearly, quietly, slowly, carefully, suddenly, badly, strongly, quickly, exactly, nicely, happily, truly, also, very, really, always, often, sometimes, usually, never, again, already, almost. 30 pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, them, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, this, that, this, those, who, whom, whose, which, what, whoever. Top 15 conjunctions: and, but, or, because, although, if, while, since, unless, before, after, so, yet, though, whether. Top 9 question words: what, where, when, why, who, which, how, whose, whom. Top 9 modal verbs: can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. 20 common time words: now, later, soon, before, after, today, tomorrow, yesterday, always, never, sometimes, often, rarely, early, late, once, twice, monthly, yearly, recently. 20 common names and things: window, tree, table, room, picture, pen, mobile, light, laptop, key, house, hat, glass, fan, door, chair, car, book, bag, apple. 20 basic commands for conversation: come, go, stop, wait, sit, stand, walk, run, eat, drink, listen, watch, speak, write, read, help, turn, open, close, look,